So I'm going to show you how we go through the turfRad setup process with our mobile app. So when you open the app, you see this screen. You can either register an account that will be just valid for the app, or you can press enter as a guest on the bottom here, which I will do. You'll then be asked to accept our terms and conditions. I'm going to go ahead and say okay. It's then going to scan for sensors that are available to connect with over Bluetooth. So I'm going to connect with the top sensor here, 0555, which I have on my desk here, and I'm going to configure for you guys. So then we say connect. So it gets our current coordinates. Right now you see the current location. That's the GPS location from your mobile device, so from your phone. As soon as this thing gets GPS lock, we'll hear the beep beep, and we'll be able to see the sensor location dot as well. We can set the facility location without the sensor having GPS signal yet. It just sets it to the location of the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and say set facility location. We get the facility configured. Notice I just heard my sensor beep beep, so it must have gotten GPS. I'm going to look for my network. So it scans all the available Wi-Fi connections. And here we have TRT Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and enter our password to the Wi-Fi network. Say OK, and then it automatically performs a Wi-Fi test on the first configuration. So right now we're in what we would call the setup wizard, where you see the step 1, 2, 3 across the top. Once you've set up the device, the sensor on your mobile device, it's no longer going to bring you back to this setup wizard. It's just going to bring you straight to the status screen, which you're going to see after this. And we see test succeeded, so it was able to connect to Wi-Fi. It checked the file upload servers and also the firmware update servers. If you get an X on any of these, you might want to talk to your IT people. The update servers requires a specific port to be open, but we can also provide an LTE hotspot that will give you reliable Wi-Fi for the turfRad. Then we press OK, and you're all set up. So this is the screen that you're going to see on typical use when you connect after going through this setup wizard. We can click the map icon. So I'm going to press the middle button on the bottom. This will now bring us back to this map view, and we can visualize the upload radius. So this is the radius around your facility where the sensor will upload data. So we now see GPS on the sensor with the little turfRad logo there. So as soon as you drive outside of that blue circle, your sensor is going to start measuring, and when you come back within this facility or upload radius, your sensor uploads data, and it's as easy as that. You can always track file upload status here. You're going to be able to see under data, pending, the number of files. Yeah, it looks like I have one file pending. So as soon as I restart or go out and come back into this radius, that file is going to upload. And yeah, I think that's it for the configuration.